Hey everyone, this is Jan, and you're watching my little daily indie game dev update for Friday, the 5th of June 2026. I have a surprise day off. So, do I spend the whole day working on my game? No. I spent 4 hours modding Fallout 4. Of course, I did make a brand new cave for just a second. No collision yet. Got shadows, got a gnarly wall thing where you can meet someone or find something. Looks pretty good. Let's just walk out. There you are. A waterfall isn't complete without a secret passage. I think that's pretty much going to be it for today. It's already 8:30, time to grab some food, walk the dog, mod Fallout 4 some more, and then maybe actually play it. Catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.